Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mi Bunga Humaira, kelas 11 Community Clinical Pharmacy. Here, I will tell you the floor plan of the pharmacy.
This is a pharmacy floor plan. Parking lot. First, the waiting room is to the right of the parking lot. Second, the pharmacy to the right of the parking lot. This is the pharmacy room. 4. The prescription reception is located next to the pharmacy room. The 5 is cashier and drug delivery. In addition to receiving a prescription, the 6 is OWA. The 7 is free and limited drug side by side with OWA. The 8 are the compound behind over-the-counter and over-the-counter drugs and OWA. Night toilets are located on the left side of the compounding area and behind the pharmacy room.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.